ball. It's insoluble. It's insoluble in the water and transformer oil. And not interact with oxygen, argon, aluminium, and many other substance. At the hot temperature. And the influence of arc and corona, the SFC decompose with toxic gas.
And produce toxic gas.
The decomposition of SFC gas is related to water, so the SFC gas must be kept in dry.
Must keep dry. Okay, next question is: the rules should keep when inspecting the equipment.
You don't do all the work, and don't remove and cross the fence. When you inspection outdoor equipment, choose via insulating tools, and you don't approach lighting a road or a lister. When there is a high voltage equipment guarding. If the guarding price is indoor, you don't approach within 4 meters. If the guarding price is outdoor, you cannot approach within 8 meters. Who enter that area should via the protecting, via insulating tools when charge the equipment.
Yes. 4.
After inspection, the high voltage room should be close the door. And that's one. Special vessel inspection shall be at.
The testing program for CB.
Once insulating resistance to liquid currents. 3. High voltage AC high voltage.
Same.
3.
4.
4. Capacitance and anchor measure with parallel capacitor.
Capacitor and what?
And anchor.
Echo.
Tang anchor.
Oh, tang.
Measure with parallel capacitor in extinguishing chamber. And 5. Contact resistance. 6. Measure CB fit opening and closing time. 7. Measure.
Not finish. 6. Not finish. Measuring the fixed opening and closing time of CB, and if the contact close and open together or not. Not finish. Go on.
7. Measure the opening. Measure the speed of CB opening and closing.
对。
8. check the closing contact of operation mechanism and voltage operation. Operating voltage
minimum operation voltage of opening electromagnet.
Step 9. Step 9 measure insulation resistance and DC power supply. For close contact and opening electromagnetic wires.
Coil.
Wire. In the book.
In the book, I know it's wild. And when to cut off the CB in normal operation.
One, nice serious oil leakage. No oil in the oil indication pipe. 2. Support for sealants. Bottle broken or bushing crack. And 3. The connect is overhead. 4. Insulator serious discharge. 5. Serious air in the air chamber of gas of SFC gas. Send out the operation. Locking signal. And 6. The hydraulic mechanism loss visual 277 CBR extinguishing chamber smoke or an internal abnormal sounds. And last one, vacuum damage of vacuum checker speaker.
So speaker, CB, that's it. Okay, bye. Next one.